Welcome to the 10 Herb Garden Kit. This is an absolutely fantastic kit from the novice to the expert. It provides every item that you need to get a kit started for herbs. Check out all the herbs that it comes with. It also comes with the tools that you need to get those herbs started, including scissors, spades, soil pods, and extra seeds. I also give you tags and a pen. Here, what I do to get started is put the soil pod in water. It soaks up that water and gets the soil prepared for the seed. It's also recommended that you soak your seeds before you put them in the soil for 24 hours. In this example, I just show you how to get started. Take that pod and you can put it into the actual container that is provided. Open up with the scissors that are provided each packet. Dump and soak. Once soaked, you can spread those seeds evenly. Then you label your seeds so you don't forget which seeds are which. So in that case, I just did lavender. You can pour the water over the next pod and repeat the process for all the pods. One of the coolest things is a scientific method that this company has provided for you. This meter measures
How does this
moisture,
meter help?
You put this meter into
light.
the soil of the pots. I just demonstrate here in the light how much the light works. You take all of your herbs, put them into the pots, and then you stick this meter down in. This meter shows pH, moisture, and light. And you adjust accordingly to what your seeds need. This is a fantastic kit for novice and expert, for inside or out. Thank you for watching and enjoy your fresh, non-GMO herbs.